my macaroni pasta. As you can see, I already boiled for 7 minutes. Yeah. Ingredients of making my chicken macaroni. I have my black pepper, pinch of salt, I put it, and I will put mayonnaise. Depends what taste you want, so I'll just do this one, and then chicken, all-purpose cream, chopped onion, and also cheese I chop, and also the raisin, and also the pineapple chunk. I cut because it's too big, so I cut this one like this, and also carrots. These the ingredients, so I make now. Nasa rep, finish na, pinaghalo-halo ko lang.